What's up guys, welcome to another unboxing video. So I recently bought the OnePlus Buds White. This one just came out this year I believe, and it's OnePlus's like take on truly wireless earphones. So let's go ahead and box this bad boy up. Just whip out my little Bear Grylls knife right here. Oh gosh, what is this tape? All right, don't wanna make it all ugly. Well, I'm just gonna throw away the box anyways. Alright, here it goes. Unboxing it. That's pretty cool, pretty nice. Kind of reminds me of the OnePlus phone box. That is the box, guys. You guys can see right there. So let's just wiggle it out. Boom! Wow, look at that. Oh, it's slightly bigger than the Airpods. That's pretty interesting. Okay, let me just take it out for you guys. Show it on the main camera comparison for the size. So Airpods right here, OnePlus Buds. This thing cost 79 bucks. This one cost 150 bucks back in 2018 when I bought it. So music free. Okay, oh, that's pretty cool. It's pretty neat. I like this box. It's just really nice. So we got this part right here. Got the charger, extra charger for the OnePlus Buds. This one is like warp charge, but apparently you can charge it in 10 minutes and get like 10 hours of music listening or something like that. So it's pretty dope. And we got the manuals, all that good stuff. Alright, let's open this guy up. Not sure if it's fully charged. I usually don't read the manuals when I do these because it's pretty self-explanatory as far as like, you know, connecting it and whatnot. And so open it up kind of like an AirPods, right? And then what do I just press it? Oh, okay. Oh, there you go. Boom. You guys don't need to see my email address. So it literally connected to my phone, kind of like the AirPods. Looks like it tells you the charge percentage. So left and right ear, and then the case. So that's pretty cool. Now let's take them out and see what they look like. Compare the size with the AirPods. So AirPods right here, OnePlus right here. But then you look over here, that's almost identical. That's really interesting. Okay. Right, well, since it's fully charged, let's go ahead and test out the sound quality. Actually, before the sound quality test, comfort test first. Not as flushed in my ear as the AirPods. Yeah, they're kind of loose, I guess. Oh. Alright, let's check out Spotify real quick here. Alright, so I'm not gonna play it just because it's copyrighted stuff, so but it's gonna play in my ear, so just gonna see what it sounds like, guys. Wow. Ooh. Wow. Oh wow. It has the same functionality as the AirPods, literally. So when you remove it, so watch this. When you remove it, it pauses the music, put it back in, it plays it. They literally almost copied AirPods, I guess. I mean, shape, design, it's different, but functionality. Let me see, how do I fast forward to next music? For the AirPods, I tap it and stuff, so just try that. Okay, it's playing. Now I'm gonna tap on the left. This should like go to the next music. So I'm gonna tap it now. Oh yeah, it does work. Wow. Okay. Let's play another maybe song here. So I'm gonna tap on my left ear, double click it, earbuds rather. So that should go to the next song. There. And then I'm gonna tap, double click on the right ear, and it should go back or actually repeat that same song just because like I'm a few seconds in now. So, and then I'm gonna double click it again, and now it goes back to Call You Mine. So that's pretty cool. Pretty straightforward. Sound quality, it's definitely a lot crispier than AirPods, in my opinion. I'm not a audiophile, whatever you guys call those folks. However, definitely the same functionality as the AirPods, but sound quality wise, it's a lot better than the AirPods, in my opinion, of course. $79 versus, I don't know how much this costs now. I mean, on Amazon Prime there was a AirPods 2 and that was like $114. That was on sale. Again, it's made specifically for OnePlus, you know, to bring out the full functionality and whatnot. So I don't know if it works with other Android phones, but it's really good and I highly recommend it. Alright, well that's a wrap. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.